Hi everybody, my name is Shakur Obida. I'm here this beautiful day to introduce a TV station called Jahankali TV, whereby you have a lot of things that has to do with Christian life here on earth, and also discussion from our pastors and our reverends, and also upcoming gospel artists, and also audio songs and also video songs. We start dropping you all in Jahankali TV. All you need to do is just pick up your phone and go to YouTube and also search for Jahankali TV by Zango. Do not forget that Jahankali TV that will start dropping each and every of the activities from 1st of August. From 1st of August we start dropping up our series movie every Sunday by 8 p.m. By 8 p.m. every Sunday, Jahankali TV is there for you to bring you so much more and a lot of fun and tease. Are you a comedian, singer, or what? Jahankali TV is there for you. So all you need to do, just subscribe to our channel. We subscribe to our channel and also keep on following us. Jahankali TV by Zango. We also have our logo in Jahankali TV. So all you need to do, just keep on following us and also subscribe to our channel. A lot of things and a lot of more will come to you live and direct in Jahankali TV. Jahankali TV is yours, it's ours. God bless you.
Wave your hands like this, man.